Hey guys, I'm Jessica and this is
Ava.
And I am a Young Living Independent Distributor. This is going to be the first of many video series on different items that you can make at home using your essential oils. And today we're going to make something to help soothe a cough and sore throat. So here we have some honey. We have an 8-ounce jar. We have citrus fresh oil, peppermint oil, thieves, and we also have Ningxia red, and just some other items to help us make the cough soother, right?
Yeah.
Ava's going to help me today. So first I'm going to double this recipe. Normally I would half it, but I'm going to go ahead and just make a big batch. This recipe will last a year in your fridge. The honey helps keep it for that amount of time. Normally the Ningxia is only good for 30 days after it's been opened, but the honey works as a preservative, so it's going to keep it fresh for up to a year. So, does that smell good? First you're going to start with 2 ounces of Ningxia red. The Ningxia red contains a puree of wolfberry. It is very high. Yes, you may pour it into that container. Antioxidant. It helps fortify the body and replenish key nutrients. So this is going to be really good for you if you are suffering from the things we talked about before. Hold on, not yet. Next, we're going to add citrus fresh oil. Citrus fresh is a blend of orange, tangerine, grapefruit, lemon, mandarin, and spearmint. Citrus fresh is really rich in powerful antioxidants, so that is also very good for you, right?
Mommy,
yes.
Yeah.
We're going to add 20 drops of citrus fresh. You want to help me? I'm going to count them out.
1, 2,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 drops. Okay?
And now we're going to do
peppermint.
Peppermint.
Peppermint is a very good oil that supports the respiratory system. It does many other things, but for this reason, we are using it in our recipe today. You're going to add 4 drops of the peppermint.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Counting. Next, we're going to do the thieves oil. Thieves essential oil has lemon, cinnamon, clove, eucalyptus radiata, and rosemary.
It's like this, Mommy's lemon.
It has a lot. Yes, that has lemon in it. You're right. The thieves is also very highly effective in supporting the immune system. It's been university tested for its cleansing abilities, so this is going to be a really great essential oil to be ingesting.
How many drops?
4. We're going to do 4 of this one as well.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yay! Okay. Next, we're going to add... Hold on, we don't stir yet. Next, we're going to add honey. That's going to be the rest of the jar. This honey is a little bit thick because it's cold out, so it might take a minute to come out. Let's get in there. Honey is, because of how thick it is, it's really good for coating and soothing your throat. It also, because of the sweet taste, is going to promote salivation, and when that happens, it thins the mucus, which calms your cough and reduces your urge to cough. So honey is great to use if you are suffering from a cough or sore throat. Let's get in there. It's a lot of honey, huh?
It's getting it up and up and up.
Mm-hmm.
The honey is making this go up and up.
Okay, we are back after a short intermittent break. We had a puppy destroying tissue in the living room, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so after you add your honey, you're going to just stir the mixture together. My honey is really thick, so it might just take a little bit. You can also use a very small emulsion blender, just a handheld one, which I do have, and normally I would use that.
But she couldn't.
Because I didn't get it out, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. After you mix, yes, very carefully. After you mix it all together, it won't separate again. I actually have some of this in my fridge right now that's been there for a good 2 weeks or so. I just give it a little shake before we use it, and it's good to go. All right.
It's going to be just like this one.
Just like this one. It's the same one. All right. So after it's all mixed together, that's it. You're good to go. Just put your top on. When you use this, you just do 1 tablespoon, and that should help. It'll be pretty liquidy.
Can I shake it?
And it should have a pretty good taste, as long as you like honey, and this is pretty fruity, so it really masks the thieves really well, so you shouldn't be able to taste the thieves very much. And that's it, right?
Yep.
Cough soother and throat soother.
Can I have the drink it? Can I have the drink it?
Not right now. If you have any questions, please feel free to message me. You can find me on Facebook at www.facebook.com/Oils of the Valley. You can also look on my website at www.ylwebsite.com/Jessica Jackson. Thank you. Bye-bye.